Yo, what's up everybody, it's Taha. Did you know that by 2025, the dropshipping market is projected to hit a whopping $557.9 billion? That's billion with a B. So if you're looking for a way to get into the entrepreneurial game without needing a warehouse full of inventory, dropshipping might just be your golden ticket. Now for those of you who don't know, dropshipping is a business model where you, the entrepreneur, sell products online without actually holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping directly to your customers. It's a low-risk, low-overhead way to test product ideas and start generating revenue, but just like with any business venture, there are definitely some things you need to know to be successful. There are a lot of misconceptions floating around about dropshipping being a get-rich-quick scheme, but trust me, it takes real work and dedication to build a profitable business. So in this video, we're diving deep into the best ways to start dropshipping in 2025, especially if you're a beginner. We'll cover everything from finding the right niche to marketing your products effectively. Let's get started. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. There's a ton of misinformation out there about dropshipping, and frankly, some of it can be downright misleading. The biggest misconception is that it's easy money. While it's true that dropshipping offers a lower barrier to entry compared to traditional businesses, don't mistake that for a lack of effort required. Another common myth is that you'll make a killing overnight. Look, building a successful dropshipping business takes time, guys. You need to be prepared to put in the work to find winning products, market them effectively, and provide excellent customer service. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And finally, let's talk about competition. Yes, dropshipping is competitive, but that doesn't mean you can't carve out your own space. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about and differentiate yourself from the crowd. We'll dive deeper into that in just a bit. Alright, now that we've debunked some common myths, let's get into the good stuff, the strategies that actually work. First things first, you need to find a profitable niche. Think about your interests, passions, and what problems you can solve for people. Look for niches with passionate audiences, but also ones that aren't oversaturated. Once you've got your niche, it's time for market research. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and even social media to see what products are in demand. Look for products with healthy search volumes, positive reviews, and room for improvement. Next up, you need to choose the right platform to sell your products. Shopify is a popular choice for beginners because it's user-friendly and offers a wide range of integrations. You'll also need to find reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress and Spocket are great places to start. Chapter 3. Now, for the game changer. The secret sauce that can take your dropshipping business from zero to hero. Ready for it? It's all about building a brand. Too many dropshippers focus solely on finding winning products and driving traffic, but they neglect the power of building a memorable brand. Think about it. When you have a strong brand, people connect with your story, your values, and your unique selling proposition. They're not just buying a product, they're buying into an experience. So how do you build a brand? It starts with defining your target audience, crafting a compelling brand story, and creating high-quality content that resonates with your ideal customer. Remember, in a sea of generic dropshipping stores, a strong brand is your differentiator. It's what will make you stand out, build customer loyalty, and ultimately drive more sales. Chapter 4. Alright, let's recap what we've learned today. First, we busted some common dropshipping myths and emphasized the importance of hard work and dedication. Then, we walked through the essential steps for beginners, including niche selection, market research, and choosing the right platform. But most importantly, we talked about the game-changing power of building a brand. Remember, in the competitive world of dropshipping, a strong brand is your secret weapon. It's what will set you apart from the competition and create lasting customer relationships. So go out there, put in the work, and don't be afraid to get creative with your branding. With the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve incredible things with dropshipping in 2025 and beyond. Chapter 5. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and actionable. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from this video? What are your dropshipping goals for 2025? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you're serious about crushing it with e-commerce, make sure to check out my other videos on building a successful online business. I share all sorts of tips, tricks, and strategies that have helped me build my own seven-figure empire. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. And as always, thanks for watching. Outro. So there you have it, guys. Dropshipping can be an incredible way to start and scale your own online business, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, focus on finding a profitable niche, building a strong brand, and providing exceptional customer service. Those are the key ingredients to long-term success in the dropshipping game. And hey, if you're hungry for more tips and strategies to crush it in the world of e-commerce and online business, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. I'm dropping new videos every week to help you level up your entrepreneurial game. Until next time.